Doesn't look bad, does it?
See? Have to look, I can't see that. That ain't enough light.
Yeah, let me get.
You gotta have good light out.
Yeah.
Like this. That's the one thing you gotta fucking do is be able to see. This is the brightest bulb fucking made.
Yeah.
The clutch drum don't look scorched. Everything looks good there. And this as far as it's going. We ain't taking that out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to, but I mean we can. But I don't
Yeah.
want to.
That's the reverse?
No, behind it is.
Oh, behind that?
That comes out too.
Yeah. Yeah, leave it. If you think.
Well, it don't matter. See, I know how it goes back together. Give me another paper towel for that. One goes this way,
Mm-hmm.
and one goes that way. This one goes back over there. See them 4 places?
Yeah, the planetary.
Yeah, that's your planetary.
Uh-huh.
So you know what you're talking about.
I've been
That's what
looking
I'm
at.
doing.
I've been looking at fucking videos.
I'm testing.
I like.
Let's see.
I don't look bad. Nothing. No shavings or nothing in the huh?
No, nothing bad.
Right? It don't look bad.
It did go into reverse.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Pretty good out. All these come right out. When you come out with one, you hang it. See? This don't look bad. Nothing looks bad.
Don't look bad.
Nothing looks fucking bad.
Just
I
the
can
clutches.
tell. These are the clutches.
Mm-hmm.
Clutches are not bad. They come like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Take another one out. Take them out.
Mm.
Put them on.
Uh-huh.
Take it out. Put it on. Comes out. Goes back on. You gotta do it like this. This normally how you do it. Take them out. Come on. Let me see something.
It don't look bad. Nothing. No shavings or nothing in the huh?
No, nothing bad.
Right? It don't look bad.
It did go into reverse.
Yeah. You have to clean the inside of the pump.
See there?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Huh?
That works. That's what I was doing, testing these.
Okay.
Alright, which one is good? Okay, so that one working.
Uh-huh.
Nothing wrong with the clutch packs. And there's nothing wrong with the clutches. So there's nothing wrong. It could be in the reverse. I don't know. We're gonna take this apart now.
Could be the converter?
It could be. I don't see how it could be because it goes in reverse.
Right, okay.
If the converter wasn't working, or the front pump wasn't working,
It wouldn't go in reverse.
it wouldn't go in reverse. No. So now, look at this one. There's the problem. Right
What
there.
is it?
This one looks burned. See the clutch
Oh,
pieces?
yeah. That's the pieces that were in the pan.
Yes. Yep.
Right?
Look up there. See, all of this is black, see?
The other ones, they're supposed to be yellow.
Yeah, see how black that is?
Oh, yeah.
There's your clutches that are burned up.
Yeah.
See all that? Every one of them is bad.
Uh-huh.
So we'll get steels. See the steels are burned?
Yeah.
How bad they're burned?
Yeah.
This is your problem, see?
And what is that, the first?
I guess this is first.
Because it won't grab nothing.
No. See there? All of them are burned up.
Okay.
Oh, there's no clutch left, see?
Oh, the plastic completely disintegrated.
See, it's gone.
Okay. That's the stuff you were talking about that was in the pan that it just melts, right?
Yeah, see, it's supposed
It gets
to be.
so hot that it just melts that plastic.
It don't have none.
It was just
See,
grinding.
look at the clutch. See how the clutch look there?
Uh-huh.
See how good that clutch looks?
Yeah. It even has little ridges on it.
It don't have nothing. It's metal.
Uh-huh.
There's your problem.
It was rubbing metal against metal.
Damn right.
And you can see the residue on the sides.
Now we know what the fucking problem is. Let me look at these clutches one more time. Yeah, steel on the bottom. Okay. There's the problem. It's just this one. You're lucky, boy.
Really?
Maybe. Until reverse goes out.
No. By that time, I'll be a pro at this. I don't know. It's a lot of shit. Yeah, but right now when you did that with the air to pull that, push them up, I don't think I've seen a YouTube video like that.
It's called a fucking air test, check test.
Yeah.
You check it before you build it.
Uh-huh.
You can't do this one like that, I don't think.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. You were putting air in them holes and it was pushing.
I think I can check this if it had a hole where this could drop down. Because this goes on top of this.
Okay.
So that's first, this is second. Maybe. That's one or the other. But anyway, we're going to clean this one up, see? We know where the problem is.
Yeah.
So it's this one. Now we know. We're just back clutches.
Alright.
What we got to have.
Yeah, you can see right there, look on the edges.
Yeah, now all that's got to be cleaned up.
Alright.
That's what made it quit pulling. This one, that one, this one wasn't hurt. I mean,
This one doesn't
yeah,
hurt.
this one, you see how clean it is.
Yeah, it looks clean.
It wasn't hurt. The clutches look new.
Uh-huh. They have ridges and everything in the clutches.
Yeah, it was fucked up bad.
See that one there, they still have that color. That yellowish orange.
Yeah, they still look good.
Yeah.
And the steels look good. You gotta have steels
The steel and the plastic.
and all the clutches. They're called friction clutches. That's called a steel clutch.
Uh-huh.
That's a steel clutch.
Yeah.
That's a friction clutch.
Uh-huh.
Steel clutch goes fucking in the bottom. And then a cut, then a clutch, and a steel, then a clutch, and on and on.
Yeah.
You gotta have a clutch in between each one, see?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, one 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To see how this is different. I think. Really good. Yeah, that one clutch is different. See on the top.
Yeah.
See how it's cut out right here? Never different.
It does have like a little notch on it.
Yeah, it's got that one little notch, that's right. And they only go back in one way.
Would that be neutral? What's neutral?
It ain't got a neutral.
You know, it just...
No. No. That means none of them are...
It ain't got a neutral gear?
No.
Yeah, everything was mostly on this one.
Yeah, see?
Alright.
Now you know.
Yep.
Well, we know that much. We don't know what's going to take care of it, but we don't know.
Y'all make it move.
This is a bad way to do it. Do it like that, you see what the fuck you do.
To replace, to pick up the parts for the transmission. Let's go get them. Up with the transmission, got in the back of the bed, back of the truck. Look at that, bam, headed back home. All right, round 2, 3 or 4, whatever it is. All right, just got the transmission back. We rebuilt it. Johnny helped me out. Actually, I was helping him out. He was doing most of the work, but we changed the pump. We changed all the clutches, all the steels. One pack was bad. The rest of them wasn't that bad. But we changed everything, the back seals, the front, everything. We put a new modulator. I cleaned this up. All right. It's actually Father's Day, Sunday. Dad's still asleep. It's early in the morning. I'm gonna try to get it in here before he wakes up. Let's see what this happens. All right, bam, got it back. We had a couple of setbacks, and we had to order the pump. That's what took a little bit long. We had to wait 2 days for the pump to get here, but overall, yeah, we put it got it in 2 days probably. All right. Fixing to try to put it in. Fixing to put all my stuff in, and And this was actually the TH350c. So that's it. That's something, and bam. All right. Let me see if I can do this before Papa wakes up. All right. Fixing to put it in. My dad just went to go get some oil so he could put it on the converter, and then we'll put it on. All right. Well, I got it up there. I just gotta tie everything else up. I got it up there. I like how it looks. It's on there. I just gotta connect everything now. Put the starter back up, but it's fixing to rain. I need to get out of here. Well, that's it. It's up there. I put the cross member on. It's on there now. I just gotta tighten everything up and connect everything. I gotta put that dust pan, that dust cover right here too. But it's fixing to rain and I need to get out of here. Alright. I'll keep you updated. Bueno, ahí está. Ya está puesta. Todo. La flecha. Ok. Ya está todo. Ahora vamos a echarle aceite y a prenderle. Ya la bajé de un lado y vamos a bajarla a este lado. A ver, cálele. Vamos a ver si prende. Ahí está, ahí está. Ahí está. ¿Eh? ¿Qué tal? A ver, vamos a chequear si no está tirando nada, papi. Oh my God. Nada está tirando, ¿eh? Bueno, eso es parte de eso. ¿Ok? Vamos a chequearle el nivel de aceite ahora de la transmisión. Acá dele poquito para atrás, a ver si se mueve. A ver. Oye, ¿sí entró?
Ya lo tiró más que la otra vez.
Ajá, sí entró. A ver, dele poquito. Mírala. Mírala. A ver, dele poquito para enfrente, a ver si sí la agarra. Mire, también lo entró. A ver, cálele. Mírala. Mírala. A ver la sonrisa, míralo. A ver, ahora un poquito más para atrás. Un poquito más para atrás. A ver, ahora un poquito para enfrente. ¿Solo se siente? Mírala. Mírala, mírala, mírala. Creo que sí. A ver, dele poquito, a ver si sube esa lomita, dele. Poquito nomás. Mire. Ahí mero. Y todavía le hace falta uno, ¿eh? Le hace falta un cuartito de aceite y va a agarrar mejor, yo digo. Dele poquito para atrás. Como que le torce para acá la llanta, para sacar ya de una vez la madera. O dele de una vez atrás. Vamos a sacar esa madera ya. ¿Verdad? Y ahí no lo ocupamos. Mírala. Ya le di una limpiadita a mi papá. Le di con desengrasante. Mira, ya le quitó mucho. Ya le quitó mucho. Aquí le echamos ahorita Armor y se mira bien. Pero ahí va. Ahí va, papá. Look at her go. Look at her go, Johnny. Hell yeah. Look at her go. Woo. Mírala. Yeah. Oh yeah. You saw that, huh? You saw that. Come on, baby. You got it, Papa. You got it. A ver, espérese. Le quita la madera esta. Dele más. ¿Se apagó? Hello. He can't get enough of it. Oh shit. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh yeah. Man, I'm so happy. Got it done for Father's Day. Yeah, baby. Another job well done. All right, giving a little test drive. Look at her go, baby. One, yep, it got it. It's she built. Hell yeah, baby. All right, let's go. Let's see if it shifts. Boom, it did. It shifted. I'm so happy. Look at him. Oh yeah, he happy. He real happy. ¿Está contento? ¿Qué tal, Ya le damos una lavadita. A ver qué pasa para acá. No te mira muy mal, una lavadilla. Ahí está, ya está. ¿Qué tal? Con el hombre. All right, peace.